So let's talk about continuation patterns during a bullish trend. So during a bullish trend continuation pattern, there are 3 steps that you must follow. 1 is the 3-point move must be met. 2, a higher resistance point must be created. And 3, price must break the previous resistance level. So look at this diagram over here on your right. Everything is color coordinated so that you can understand it. So step 1, structure must be going up. 2, the market must retrace. The market retraced. 3, the previous resistance must be violated by the current resistance point. All right, that has happened here. And I also color coordinated it to where the pink lines represent the resistance level, the orange lines represents the support level, and the black lines is simply structure. And if you didn't know, the 3rd swing point is what will confirm the trend. And let me be honest here, the market is not this clear. This is just an example of what it will look like. So here's an example of the bearish trend continuation pattern. So your 3-point move must be met, followed by a lower support level. And after that, price must break the previous support level. And that's what happened here on the right-hand side. Here we're looking at USD JPY on the 1-hour chart. And I just want to show you how important a 3-point move is. So let's mark it up. That's your first point, also known as your starting point, with support. So you're going to go up to resistance, back down to support. And as you can see, this is a period of consolidation. And this is what I mean by the chart will not always be as clear. But as you can see, if you take this support point and take it to this resistance point, and you look back at what happened previously in the market, this resistance point never broke the previous resistance point. So you're looking for price to continue to do what? Drop, right?